Hi mga Lods, kumusta? I want to share to you this product na nabili ko sa online. Ito pala yung Top K mini charger na 20 watts. At also, it's a fast charger, good for iPhone user and also Samsung and other brand. So, buksan natin. At kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa mga ganitong unboxing experience. Salamat po. So in the box, you can see some information or description or details about this charger. So let's unbox first. Then if you want to buy this product, I will put the link in the description below para direct kayo doon sa shop mismo kung saan ko to binili. So inside the box, nandun yung document and the charger. So again, color white yung binili natin ngayon kasi pangalawa ko na itong bili. Yung una is color black, same pa rin, naka-dual output, type C and type A na yung output nito. So again, naka-USB-C na rin ito at naka-USB-A. So if you want to use USB-C alone, naka 20 watts ang output. Then USB-A alone, 18 watts. Then if both naman yung gagamitin mo, naka 18 watts ito. So in terms of size, napakaliit lang nito. So good for travel kasi hindi ito nakaka-occupy ng more space sa ating mga gamit. At yun lamang mga Lods, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para sa mga ganitong unboxing experience na pwede kong maibahagi sa inyo. Thank you so much mga Lods and God bless us all, always.